February the 17th, 2014. Guys, we're looking at the JPL of 2000 EM26. This is called an ATN, or a near-Earth object. It's an asteroid. And the news is they've been kind of overhyping this. And I think it's to desensitize us to the events that we're about to go through. We've talked about meteor storms, and we know comet linears coming through. And guys, no, you can't remember again in recorded history when a comet came like this, that close to Earth. So, but I want to just, I've had a lot of questions about it. I want to go over this. You notice on the 18th, and that's it, it's going to occur right at midnight UTC on the 17th and the 18th at 0.0225 AU. And I used hours, you notice I'm changing it to days now. But that put us at 0.225 AU. The reason I haven't tracked it, guys, you're looking at a couple million miles away from Earth. Now, again, my concern here, this could be a lead object, and I've seen a couple, and I showed you one coming in over Earth. My concern here is, again, the desensitization factor. You're going to see a couple things here. You're going to see the fact that there, and I'm going to show you the link. It's going to be watched on Slooh tonight, but notice here the condition code and the time of the last solution date, November 2013. Why is it not redone? That condition code is 7, which I'll show you. If you click on it, it'll pull up. It's the MPCU parameter, orbit uncertainty estimate 0 to 9, 0 being good, 9 being highly uncertain. Okay, 7 is not the highest, but it's by far not the lowest either. You see that, the uncertainty. But the reason they are not showing the new information, even though they're tracking it on radar, again, it's to get people to look at this. It's going to be on Slooh. I'll link you there. And because it's like a meteor storm or a meteor shower, you become used to certain things and you stop looking up. Another thing, guys, I want you to be very careful of. If you look at this thing, it's 270 meter asteroid, which is 295 yards. That's not quite 3 football fields, right? 2 million miles away. Again, it could be part of larger debris fields that are starting. Guys, there's not much time to prepare for whatever linear may come in. And so my other warning here is these shields that will attack anyone that's trying to bring attention to these type objects. Guys, I hope I'm wrong about that, but one of the things that I noticed about comet linear coming in, it's coming in fast. And on the next video, I want to do kind of an estimate on the actual speed, just kind of double check the JPLs and make sure that, and I may be wrong, and I hope I'm wrong. But just in case on one that was really dangerous, the time was off just a little enough to where a few people had enough heads up, or enough a few days ahead of the actual event to bug out or whatever they were going to do. You understand what I'm saying? The other thing, going back to the shields, I've noticed something, and I've been attacked by a lot of people, and I normally don't respond to it. I'm not going to mention any names here. But I do want to clarify something. There's a couple of guys. One is name is the Heliospheric Observer, whatever they call itself, and the other one is called the Dim Sky Watcher, something like that. Again, I'm not going to go straight to the names. But the Sky Watcher dude does not know the difference between solar dust hitting the camera lens and an asteroid belt. I just noticed that. And the Heliospheric dude does not know what camera the solar flares are coming off of. He changes it from one night to the next day. It's not Earth facing, or it is Earth facing. It's very obvious if you know what camera you're watching. So, but here's the problem. These guys are going to get really heavy on anybody that's trying to just cover the facts on this thing, because that's their purpose. You understand what I'm saying? Heads up, be safe.